Hey Leo, what's up, big man? Look, guys, Leo is already back on the floors. What breed is he?
This is a black Russian Terrier.
Black Russian Terrier. What's up, bro? I met him before when I first came. Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. But he's gotten bigger.
Yeah, he did.
Look at him, man.
120 plus pounds right there.
140?
20.
120. Wow. Look at him. Oh, he's checking out his new floors.
Yeah.
Check him out, Leo.
He's got a sample of product too.
Oh no, he wants some water too. Awesome. Oh yeah, he's checking out the floors, guys.
Yeah, this is looking pretty
Look good, don't it, man? And look.
Really looks good. I'm really happy with
Two things. No dust.
Yeah.
You notice that?
Yeah.
And done in one day.
Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Well, you said this at first. Now I realize what you mean by dust.
Yep, no dust. Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is July the 17th. Beautiful day today. I'm out here in Brazelton, Georgia with my one of my network partners, Aaron, who's giving me a hand on this project. We're out here in Chateau Elan. This is the resident of Mr. Roberto. Just like another client, was it last week? His wife is out of town. He's surprising her with some fresh screened, recoated floors. I went out this morning and did a consultation in Lawrenceville. Went very well. I also had a few in-home consultations come in this morning. I'm going to be doing consultations, one this Saturday and then one next Monday. So anyway, guys, what we're going to be doing here at this job is a little bit over 1,100 square feet, Brazilian cherry floors, one of my favorite floors to do. We're going to be doing a screen, recoat, and UV cure. Shout out to the moving company that I recommended, Christian. Him and his guys came out here this morning and moved the furniture for Mr. Roberto. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, guys, so it's a beautiful day out here in Brazelton. There's Mr. Roberto and his dog. So let me show you guys. As soon as you walk in, you see some worn areas all throughout here. Okay, all throughout here. Now this is sun damage. Mr. Roberto knows that it's not going to come out. Only way to get this out is to do a full sand. And he said, Courtney, he said what really bothers him the most is these worn areas all right here. See all through here. Actually, I'm going to get some more light in here. All through here. Okay, so we're doing all of this. All of this. Also that closet. There's my guy Aaron. Yes, sir. Aaron went and sanded a job for me. He's a sanding guy, so he's sanding the floor Monday, and we're gonna go back today and do the UV cure. And yeah, guys, so that's what we got going. So I'll let Aaron screen, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping up the coating, and also to do the color correction. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the floor screened, vacuum. Now I am cleaning, tacking. One thing about Brazilian cherry floors, Brazilian cherry has its own color, which is these different reddish. Some look red, orange, burgundy. So Brazilian cherry has its own color, and it's actually considered like an exotic floor. This is a floor we do not recommend staining because it's really hard to get stains to stick to certain floors. And I'll never forget one time I was doing a job in Roswell, and we were just cleaning the floor, and as we was cleaning, the floors started turning red, and they were like black, well, they were ebony. And when I asked the husband, I'm like, what is going on with this floor? And he said, oh, we had it finished about 4 or 5 years ago, and they stained it. And they called the company, and the guy that stained the floor, he no longer worked with the company, but the company said, we apologize. We're going to have to resand that floor because that floor was not supposed to be stained. So as we was cleaning the floor, the stain was coming off the floor, going back to the red of the Brazilian cherry. And even my sanding guys that I network with, they would not, if a client want this floor sanded, stained, they would not do it because of the risk. So anyway, guys, I'm just cleaning right now. I actually called my client up and let him take a look, showing how the floors are coming back to that, bringing that color back out as I'm cleaning them. Yeah, guys, so it's looking really good. All right, guys, stay tuned. Mm-hmm. Yeah, not saying the edge real good. The E14 is really like cut out. My cutting end, like by 90%. Yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Dang. Yep. I always stayed up. Oh yeah, using that ground. Man, I love covering music chair floors. Beautiful floors. Yep. New floor, same color. All right, guys, got the coating going down. Looking good, looking good. Wow. Yeah, we love recoating these Brazilian cherry floors, man. It just brings those floors back to life. So I'll stop right here. Also, too, when you're working with certain floors where the floor is cut off, it's a whole lot easier to work with. So we went with the grain this way. I wrote this area, and then Aaron's doing this area. So, all right, guys, so we're gonna finish rolling, getting this coating down, and then we're gonna run off to Atlanta, UV cure the floor that Aaron finished up early this morning, sanding job that he started Monday, and then we're gonna come back here and UV cure this. More natural, but this came out really good.
Yeah, man, this looks really
Looks good. Remember that area right there?
Yeah.
All through here? Yes, sir.
Those areas right there.
Yep.
Yeah, this looks really good all up through here.
Yes, sir. And all done in one day. Yep. And then also over here, hey, come check out your stairs. The stairs I did all through here. Man, this came out good. Wow.
Yeah, it looks really nice, man.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And then I did the landing for you, and those each stairs, 3 stairs on the side. All right, guys. We just came from. Looks good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We just came from Decatur, Brookhaven area, did a UV cure. She was very happy with her floors. Shout out to Aaron again. He sanded those floors Monday. We went and UV cured it today. Now we're back at Roberto's. And guys, this floor came out amazing. You guys saw the before and after, all those worn areas. Oh man, this came out really good, guys. Really good. And like I was just explaining to my client, Roberto, the satin finish is more natural. Doesn't make it too shiny. And also always remember, guys, the higher you go up in gloss, the more things are going to reflect. So when you have dogs, you're spilling, scuff marks, it's going to show more. So that's why most of our clients love satins or either mattes. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and start UV curing the movers. I'm going to go ahead and tell Christian them they can head back this way. We're going to go ahead and start UV curing this finish. And yeah, man, this floor came out really good. Really good. All right, guys, stay tuned. You know what it is? The guy, the guy right now, he did this over 10 years. And he told me, since he's known me for the last 6 months, he's not so much business than this. And I said, make for process. Yes. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Another job well done. Truman Hardwood Floor Refinishing and Cleaning, #1 maintenance company. Over 600 5-star reviews. Over, I think about 200-300 5-star Facebook reviews. Over 2,000 videos on YouTube showcasing our work. Over 75 video testimonials on our website of real clients in their homes, real projects. And myself, Courtney, have trained over 500 people across the nation of wood floor maintenance. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. Tomorrow I have a clean and buff not far from here in Decula, and then also have a UV cure to do for one of my contractors. He's going to put down the finish, and I'm just going to go in and UV cure it, and 2 consultations. See you in the next one.